In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook categories to organize your emails efficiently. Whether you're new to Microsoft Outlook or just looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will help you categorize your emails with ease. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Outlook. This can be done on your web browser or through the Outlook application, depending on your preference. Once you're there, look towards the top right of the screen where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it, which will prompt you to enter your email and password for your Outlook account. Enter those details carefully and sign in. Now that you're signed in, it's time to locate an email you want to categorize. Go to your inbox and right-click on the email of your choice. This action will open up a menu of options. Look for the option that says Categorize. If you're unfamiliar with this feature, don't worry. Hovering over it will display a drop-down menu with various category colors to choose from. This is where you'll create a new category. You'll want to click on the option labeled New Category. A dialog box will pop up allowing you to name your category. Naming your category is important for organizational purposes, so choose something meaningful. You might want to name it after a project, a client, or another tag that makes sense for sorting and finding emails later on. For the sake of this example, let's say you name the category Black Category. After naming the category, it's time to select a color. You'll see several color options, generally marked by a color and a letter in the middle. Click on the black color with the letter A, which visually represents your black category. These colors can really help make your emails stand out, allowing for a quick and easy way to recognize which category an email belongs in with just a glance. Now that you've named your category and selected a color, the final step is to save it. Look for the Save button and click on it to commit your changes. Congratulations, you've just created a new category in Outlook. From this point forward, anytime you want to assign an email to this category, all you need to do is right-click on the email, navigate to Categorize and select and select your newly created category. And there you have it. You've learned how to create and use Outlook categories to organize and streamline your email management. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay organized and efficient in managing your emails. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides. See you next time.